guide you how to start selling on Amazon. And first, you will access the Amazon website at the address below. After accessing, we will scroll down to find the sale product on Amazon. Okay, we will click here and find sign up. Okay, we will click here, sign up. And next, click register now. After that, create your Amazon account. For example, I will fill in the name. Example name Baker Team. And next, your email, password, and re-enter password. And once done, click next. Select business location. I choose Vietnam. Yes. Okay, and business type, I choose private owner business. Business name, you can write your business name. And after that, I confirm my business locations. Agree and continue. And next, you write your company registration numbers. Write your business address. 50 Transport Street. Ho Chi Minh City. Okay. After you write your phone numbers and send SMS. Primary contact persons, Baker Team. Okay, next, we will enter the credit card number and related information. Here, I cannot enter because after creating an account, we will have to pay an initial maintenance fees of about $40. $40. And after filling in all credit card information, then we will proceed to the remaining two-step authentication. It's very simple. Just verify a few simple information. Okay, we will go to the Amazon bestseller website to find a product for us. We start looking for idea, researching a product we plan to sell, know how to calculate the cost of profits, the criteria for evaluating potential product. Okay, we will visit item. Same as posting, we will fill in information such as title, post, 7 to 9 photo that match Amazon criteria, creating attractions, brands, capacity, model name, item dimensions, and about this item, describe about your product. Yes. And next, technical details, brand name, ZLs, model info, item weight, product dimensions, item model numbers, capacities, noise, installation types, part number, colors, voltage connector type, door material types, ice storage, material type, include components, and material required. Okay, since we can't log in, I've given a brief introduction to a product information, thereby helping you to fill in the information for your product before putting it on the market. I hope this lesson will help you know how to register an account and support a product on the market. Good luck. Thanks for watching.